Welcome to 5th episode of Best Nova Launches Setups. Let's get started with the first setup, Dragon Ball Z. I selected this widget from Clear KWGT. It shows day, date, month and time. And I used a line tag and pack. Let's move to the second setup. Here is the second setup from the anime called Jujutsu Kaisen. Now I'll break down the details. This widget is selected from Minimal KWGT. It shows time, day, date and month, and icon pack used as red light. Make sure you have disabled touching KWGT for the widget. Now let's move to the last and final setup. Finally, last setup is here. I have made more than 200 Android setups. You can go and check it out. Now let me finish the details of this setup. This both widget is selected from Poma KWGT. Top widget shows time and weather, and the next widget allows you to open apps like Spotify, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram right from the home screen by simply tapping on the name of the apps. No icon pack is used for this setup. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you all like the setups. Let's see you all in next video.